Hello and welcome guys, this is the Mira Monte review. Condo, a new one down Soy 95. Well, we all know what this Soy 94 is, but it's back here. We're quite a distance from all the bars and it's always a good breeze here. Anyway guys, let's get in there. Got a swimming pool and also got a gym and I've got 24-hour security and a door key, you know, like a swipe type thing. When you go in the door, nobody can get in there, it's all secure. And let's go and have a look at really lovely views at the top of the building there. Anyway guys, let's get in there and have a look. Give me your reviews, what you think about it, and write in the comments. Let's have a little think about what you think of the Mira Monte condo. Let's get out. You do need a key card like this, and then what you have to do after that is, I'll show you on quickly. So there we are, there's a key card. You have to put your key card there, like that. And that opens the door, so that's all secure. Nobody can get in this building. And then we've got the lobby, which is just here. And when you get in the lift, you have to use the key card again. So everything is very secure. Anyway guys, let's get onto the second floor. And let's have a look to see what we've got there. Lovely swimming pool, bubbly bubbly. We have a 1.6 metre swimming pool here, guys. You know, I've swum out here because, like I told you, my mate's got a place here. And I'm thinking about coming in myself. It looks really fabulous. It's got deck chairs. Look at that. Nobody overlooking the swimming pool from outside. And a really fabulous view. The video don't do it justice. And always a lovely breeze here too when I'll come to this condo here. And we got a lovely spot there for the children if they want, you know, can have a little dip in there. Anyway, let's get back upstairs to that beautiful gym. You'll see the views up there, guys. It'll knock you out. Here we are, guys, on the 8th floor. So what we're going to see now, this is a meeting room, which, you know, you've got business meetings, or maybe, you know, you want to do some studying quietly on your own. It's a fabulous aspect view outside here. It's really quite special. And there's like 6 chairs there where you can sit down, and plenty of room. If you've got a business meeting, going to buy a property, maybe you need to talk to your agent. Anyway, opposite here is where the lift is, and there we are. There's the door to the balcony. Let's go in there and have a look. Righto. Oh wow, guys, there's the balcony from the meeting room. So look at the views you got here, guys. Really quite special. So you look out the back here, you can see the hills. We'll go back quite a long way there, look. All the way down Soy 94, all the shopping centres, Bangkok Hospital, many more other places. They're really everything what you need. This is a central location. And right here is where the gym is. Let's go and have a look. So you got all the lifting bells, you know, stuff. Here you can lift it for your arms. I guess that's what that one's for. And this one here, there we are. There's all the treadmills you want. I think there's two treadmills and a bicycle treadmill. There we are. Right there, and a fantastic view. It looks out the whole of HuaHin. Well, there we are, guys. You've seen it all now. Swimming pool, amazing swimming pool. Good parts of the building. Really, the fabulous balcony on top here. Well, there's many things you could have on it. A party, a birthday party. Amidst the Christmas party, I suppose, if you ask. Let's get back down. What we come for was that condo, that special condo, what we want to look at here and see what it is. And you'll see the revelation, what I told you about. I was going to begin the video. I weren't playing about, guys. It's going to be mighty shocked. There, that's your revelation. Good size. Look at that, all lovely and fresh. Brand spanking new to move into. Got air conditioning in the lounge and also in the bedroom. And there we are, guys. Good look at the size of that fridge. Yes, man, God, enormous, isn't it? Put your beers in. And there we are. You got kitchen hob there, and above that you got the extract cupboards to put all your pots and pans and all your rubbish into. Great place there. Anyway, guys, let's have a look at the rest of the content. Tell me what your thoughts are. Is it good, or do you think I'm being charged too much? Is it somewhere you'd move into? If you are interested, leave your comments down below and I'll get back to you and give you all the details we need of this agent. I'm not on any commission here, guys. I just love the condo very much. And there we are, guys. There's the bedroom. It's got a little side light there, air conditioning, which you can see is up there. Works very well too. Really, really well. You get quite cold if you leave it on too long. And then also we have a wardrobe over there and a makeup mirror and table there. Anyway, guys, what do you think of that? Was it something you'd move into? Bubbly bubbly, well, there we are. There's your balcony looking over Soy 94, and we have a place there for the washing machine. So there we are. You can have your little evening meal out or your breakfast out there on the table. And there we are. It's not a bad sized balcony, actually. Anyway, guys, you have a good idea of what you're going to come into if you come to the Mira Monte. You can have a look up and down the street here. That's the Berlin across that new burger place across the road, or kebabs. There we are, right down to Soy 95. Really fantastic location. Anyway, guys, let's just see. Let's have a review about the flat. Well, there it was, guys, the Mira Monte review and my revelation that I decided to move it. I drove past here, to the truth, guys. I see it and I took a fancy to it. I like the vibe and great location. You know, I don't personally myself go to the bars. I know a lot of the people along the road here. It's a bit of a good community of people actually, and it's so close to the town. You know, you could not but love it. You know, and it's a good vibe here, and the service staff here are excellent. So next week, guys, we're going to be do about dating Thai girls. It's going to be a real bed of fire and things what's going to happen there, guys. So I'm looking forward to it. Anyway, don't forget, if you want to interest in this place, leave me your details and I'll get hold of the agent to get hold of you. And thank you for watching, guys. And thank you to my subscribers who've been patient to me. As from this week, it'll be 6 o'clock every day, UK time, which it would be released every Sunday. There we are, guys. Yeah, regular. We're going to have a regular video now. We do TikTok as well if you're interested in coming on there. That's anyway, guys. I expect some of you know about that already. Anyway, great having you. Thank you for listening and watching the video. See you next time, guys.